how to put your own picture in Google Chrome background. So I'm going to show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So just open your Google Chrome and make sure your Google Chrome is up to date. So how you can check it? Go to this three dot option, go to the settings, and just come to here about Chrome. So here you can see the Chrome will be checked that whether your Chrome is up to date or not. So in my case, my Chrome browser is up to date. Now come to the search engine, and here you have to choose by default Google. Now open the new tab, and here you can see the option called customize Chrome. So just click on it, and here just click on background, and you can see the by default background option. You can see it. So you can change your photo with background. Just click on upload drive and choose your photo. If I choose this, just open it and it will be your background. Okay, you can see. If you want to remove, just click on remove, and you can set by default another one if you want. Okay, so there is a refresh on daily. Okay, just click on done. So you can see that is how you can keep your photo, put your photo background image as in Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.